Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on SLP. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that SLP has broken out a quite long-term descending triangle on a 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and here you can see that after the breakout, the price then imminently broke out a very long-term resistance of $0.004. That was previously working as a resistance here, and before that was working as a resistance here and support here as well. And now it is again working as a strong support after the breakout. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price then after this drop, this recent drop, could not break down this support of $0.004. And this is the second day that it is moving above this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout that has happened on the same 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SXP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 10th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, the price was moving inside this descending triangle since after the month of October 2020, when we found the support here. Then we had a nice bounce. Then we got a few rejections. Then we got another rejection here. We had another nice bounce, another nice bounce, another nice bounce here, a very short bounce. Then we had another short bounce here, and the price then got rejected by the resistance of this triangle here on 21st of October. And after this rejection, the price then did not hit the support of the triangle and finally broke out the resistance, and imminently also broke out this very long-term resistance of $0.004 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and support here. And now it is again working as a strong support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line did not break it down. For example, if the price line breaks it down, then it can test the support of the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, along with this long-term support of $0.00275. And this $0.00275 has been, by the way, previously working as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it has been working as a support here and resistance here, and therefore again it can work as a strong support for the price line of SLP. The technical target for the breakout from this triangle is by the way here. That is approximately at 1.16 cents. And if the price and reach is there, then we can also break out another very long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously breaking as a very strong resistance zone here and support zone here in the month of January 2022. Now, if we take a look at the long-term technical target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 40 cents. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.